Long story short, I made an animation. I did the rough animation, cleaned it up, added color, lip synced it, and I finally got this.
Gotta know exactly who you are. Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brothers. We must stay focused.
Now it's a simple animation, but it took me a little longer to finish because this is my first time coloring and lip syncing one, but it felt satisfying to finally get it done. And in that moment I was thinking, man, this is some relatable content. I'm gonna get mad views with this. So I went to go post it on YouTube Shorts and the views started going up.
On a Tuesday.
And the views started going up and up and up. But something happened. The views eventually stopped coming in. And the view graph in my analytics became flatter than Amy Schumer's jokes.
No. Wait.
Now, technically speaking, this short wasn't really a flop. It outperformed my most viewed short, which had 2K views at the time, and I got 17 subs from it. But I was expecting to get millions of views by appealing to the nostalgia of late millennial and early Gen Z dudes around the world. Therefore, I kind of set myself up for failure by setting these astronomical expectations. On top of that, I became obsessed with this animation blowing up so much that I wasted a lot of time just refreshing my YouTube analytics. A bunch of thoughts started racing through my head. Would my channel finally blow up? Would my hard work finally pay off? Would I finally become famous and make it out of O Block? Fast forward a few weeks later, the animation had finally flatlined at 8.8K views. And I had come to a realization. What I did was kind of dumb. Because I didn't get millions of views like I expected to, I perceived that animation to be a flop rather than an opportunity to analyze the data that I got from my analytics and consequently learn from it. Ultimately, I had to learn that I shouldn't set such huge expectations for myself, especially when I'm starting out something for the very first time, because if whatever animation or artwork that I post on MySpace doesn't meet the expectations that I want it to meet in terms of performance, I'll basically get frustrated. Additionally, I learned to view a new challenge or a new project that I undertake as a video game boss battle. Because think about it, when you get clapped by a boss battle, you just don't quit the video game, right? You think of new plans of attack and strategies in order to eventually beat it. That's kind of what I did when I decided to get out of my comfort zone and stop studying art so much and make something original in this video right here. So feel free to check that out, leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing to the channel, and yeah, I'm out of here.